Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I come across this stock last night, and since it's in the energy field, and if you follow my channel, you know I'm into energy, green, MJ, anything that's going up in regards to the Dems and the White House now and Senate and so on. And I come across this one and thought, well, it's in the energy, I'll throw some money at it this morning. So I think I bought in, must be right around in here somewhere, and it turned out pretty good. I bought it, and then I was getting ready for work and looked at it right in here, and I was like, oh man, I should have bought some more. But I just heard about this one, didn't really research it too much, and thought, oh, I'll try 20 shares. So, and it turned out pretty good. So now I'm hearing all kinds of talk about this one. If you don't know what this one is, it engages in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. The firm focuses on drilling and working interest programs. Its projects include Midland and so on. The company was founded in 2007 in Plano, Texas. Kind of a small market cap, 286 million, not too much volume on today. And I found a couple of catalysts here why it's running up. They announced a closing of underwritten public offering of common stock for gross proceeds of 27.6 million. The oil and gas exploration company today announced closing an underwritten public offering of 23 million shares of its common stock at a price of $1.20 per share, which included the full exercise of the underwriter's over-allotment option for gross proceeds to Torchlight of $27.6 million before deducting the underwriting discount and offering expense payable by Torchlight. Torchlight intends to use the net proceeds for general business purposes and to provide $5 million of additional bridge financing to Metamaterial Incorporated, Meta, in connection with the previously announced agreement between Torchlight and Meta, pursuant to which Torchlight and Meta will complete a business combination. So it looks like a merge is going on, and that's what they're going to use some of the funds for. And then I come across 8 things to know about Torchlight Energy as shares ignite higher. And as you can see, this is dated here today. Torch stock is soaring higher on Wednesday as its shares experience incredibly heavy trading. Torch has seen more than 186 million shares of its stock change hands as of this writing. That's a massive spike compared to the company's daily average trading volume of roughly 9 million shares. That's a little bit over 20x on the shares. So what exactly has Torch stock up today? The news is likely connected to the closing of a public offering. This saw it sell 23 million shares of its stock at $1.20 per share. That includes the underwriter of the deal fully exercising its over allotment. And here's just a couple other things to know. Again, it's a oil and gas exploration. The company's main focus is in the acquisition and development of highly profitable domestic oil fields. Its interests in Texas. Torch currently has projects underway in the Midland Basin. Torchlight Energy was founded in October 2007. Public offering on November 2010. Torchlight was up 82.5% as of Wednesday afternoon, and it was up 313.4% since the start of the year. I wish I would have found out about this one a little bit earlier. And there's just all kinds of talk on Reddit here. Even 8 days ago, merger news on the way. Merger step 1 complete. Moving big time. So just all kinds of talk. Once I bought this, I just started hearing all kinds of talk and everything going on with it today. It's like, man, I should have definitely bought some more, but I didn't really research it all that much when I got into it. I kind of heard a little bit of info about it, and trying to think where I found out about this one. I think somebody pointed it out to me also, and I just did a little bit of research on it and saw some of the volume and threw some money at it. Which I don't usually do, but since it's in the energy and just like the MJ stocks, I mean, put a bunch on the wall and throw a dart at it and you'll hit one and they're probably all going to go up. So that's how mine have been. But if you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit that. That really helps out the channel. Gets the word out to other people. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I'm still seeing about 10 to 15% of my viewers have only subscribed. That would really help out the channel to subscribe. And I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers by the end of February. So the rate we're going, I know we can do it. So, but just all kinds of talk here on stock twits. Since the whole GameStop and everything, it looks like everybody's pretty bullish on Torch as well, except this person. But since the whole GameStop and everything, I've kind of went to Reddit and stock twits and just kind of seeing what everybody's talking about. So it's been rather interesting. So this just kind of goes over some more of the metamaterial and Torchlight signed definitive agreement for business combination. Again, they're in Plano, Texas. We've went over a majority of this. They announced today the signing on December 14th of 2020. The definitive agreement negotiated at arm's length for a business combination of Torchlight and metamaterial. And then if we go down to the paragraph here, Torchlight shareholders on record date will be entitled to receive a preferred stock dividend payable immediately prior to the closing of the transaction that entitles them to their pro rata share of any proceeds resulting from any sale of Torchlight's oil and gas assets that occurs on the earlier of December 31, 2020, or 6 months from the closing of the transaction, and after such time, if such sales are not complete, will be entitled to receive a pro rata equity interest in a spin-off entity that holds Torchlight's remaining oil and gas assets subject to certain conditions. And I'm not going to read the whole article to you here. Feel free to pause and read the rest for yourself. This is on metamaterial.com. And not too much here on tip ranks for it. It's just showing $2.60. So no analysts are even given anything on this one. And I don't think Robinhood did either. So, but you can see I just bought mine here today. 20 shares at $1.83. I'm going to watch it tomorrow and see what it does. And might pick up some more shares. We'll just have to see what the action looks like on it, but and the volume. But that's it for this one. If I find any other energy plays out there, I will be pointing those out to you as well. Again, this is Jay, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.